Southeast Texas will be much warmer tonight across the area with a southeast flow off the Gulf and a lot of high clouds streaming in from the west. It'll be about 10 degrees warmer tonight than what we were the last couple of nights. The air still very dry across southeast Texas. To our southwest, though, lots of moisture, and that'll be working up into our area beginning tomorrow. I think throughout the day tomorrow, just a few widely scattered showers. Coverage only around 20–30% tomorrow. Our better chance will come in anywhere from about 10 p.m. Monday night to 1 a.m. Tuesday morning. The front looks have sped up a little bit since yesterday. Quite a bit of moisture over the area, and we'll stop it coming up late tomorrow night, where some of the best moisture will be. Like I said, between about 10 p.m. and 1 a.m. Tuesday morning will be our best chance of showers and a few thunderstorms. Should see a line come in from the west. Some of our models trying to weaken that line, though, so keep that in mind. Then much drier and cooler air will take over beginning especially Tuesday night into Wednesday. Now, as we take a look at this evening, right now currently low pressure in extreme northeastern New Mexico. That'll continue to work off to the northeast. So number one, just like with the last few systems, the main dynamics will stay to our north as far as the vorticity and some of the lift. But as we head into tomorrow night, you can see some energy, a little short wave there coming in from the west, plenty of moisture in place, and we'll keep that 50 to 60% coverage of showers and thunderstorms tomorrow night. But I want to point out, once again, some of our models weaken this line as it comes in. Regardless if we get rain or not tomorrow night, or if your particular area gets it, it's certainly not going to end the drought. You don't have to worry about that. Maybe a half to 1 inch of rain in some areas tomorrow evening, but some of the storms could be pretty heavy, though, with some lightning and gusty winds. I think most of the severe weather will stay to our north. Then a beautiful Thanksgiving. Look at that, dry northwesterly flow, highs only in the 60s, and then we'll turn our attention to the weekend. A little disturbance comes in from the southwest on Saturday. Still not a ton of moisture yet at that time. We'll give it 30% next Saturday. And the system deepens out west. Some disturbances coming back over us with better moisture on Sunday of next weekend. We'll give it a 30 to 40% coverage. That's a week away, and we know how things can change in that length of time. Rainfall totals we're expecting. Of course, these are going to differ across the area. This is for tomorrow night, after dark to about, actually before daybreak Tuesday. You can see not a lot, but there's always a but in there. There'll be some isolated areas that could see some 1 to 2 inches in spots. Now that 1.77 you see in Huntsville, that doesn't mean that's what they're going to get. That just shows the potential. There could be some isolated 1 to 2 inch rains with this, but it's certainly not going to do much to the drought we have in place. Anything's better than nothing. All right, futurecast, lots of high clouds tonight. We'll be in the 60s for lows. As we head into tomorrow morning, the winds back off the Gulf, a lot of high clouds, a few sprinkles possible in the Houston area, little streamer showers will stream north throughout the day. Then there's the line coming in from the northwest. And at 11:45 tomorrow night, it should extend from Alexandria back down to just southeast of Houston. And like I said, some models weaken this before it gets here. So just something to keep in mind, but we'll keep a pretty decent shot at 50 to 60%. Tuesday morning, not seeing any rain, a little bit cooler, not much. The real cool air don't start coming in until Tuesday night into Wednesday. Marine forecast, a little bit breezy tomorrow. We'll have southeast to south winds up to about 15 to 20 knots, water temperature 76 tonight. 60s for lows, low 60s lakes, low to mid in the triangle with mostly cloudy skies. There'll be some breaks from time to time in the mid and high level clouds. Tomorrow, a 60% coverage after 8 p.m. Now throughout the day tomorrow, it's going to be humid, windy, breezy, 20–30% throughout the day, but a 60% coverage, that's a little over half the area. Seeing some storms tomorrow night, highs tomorrow around 80. 7-day forecast, 60% tomorrow night. After that, it looks beautiful for Tuesday all the way through Friday. Look at Thanksgiving Day, morning low of 42, could be some upper 30s in the lakes, highs in the mid 60s. Moisture starts coming back Friday night, and there's our rain chances for next weekend as that system out west gets a little bit closer.